in this video, I would like to talk about a science tech topic, a small topic which can be very important for preliminary exam this year. That is Polycrack technology. Polycrack, Polycrack technology. So this was in news in January 2020, and the context is the Indian Railways have put up in place the country's first waste to energy plant. This is a waste to energy plant in Bhubaneswar in Orissa, that is at the Mancheswar Carriage Repair Workshop. Mancheswar Carriage Repair Workshop. Carriage Repair Workshop. So it falls under the East Coast Railway, and it is in Bhubaneswar, and it is using, or rather this technology, this is a patented technology called Polycrack. It is the first of its kind in Indian Railway, and it is a fourth in India. Okay, this is a technology used waste to energy plant, fourth in India, but first by Indian Railways, Polycrack technology. And here it is the world's first patented heterogeneous catalytic process. So it's a patented heterogenic or heterogeneous catalytic process, which converts multiple feedstocks. I mean, it's not just one type of waste, multiple feedstocks into hydrocarbon liquid fuels. It converts these waste into hydrocarbon liquid fuel, gas, carbon and water. So it is converting all those toxic waste into hydrocarbon liquid fuel. That means like petrol or diesel type, and gas, carbon, etc. So, and this is a closed system and does not emit any hazardous pollutant into the atmosphere. No emission of any hazardous pollutants, because it is a closed system, a closed loop system. And what all can be added, what all can be fed into this, that is very interesting. This Polycrack plant, all type of plastic, petroleum sludge, which is just plastic, petroleum sludge, then unsegregated municipal waste, solid waste, municipal solid, which is not segregated at all, including up to 50% moisture. See, normally a big problem in most of the waste management plant is you have to dry it. So even it is 50% moisture, up to 50%, no problem. Then e-waste, automobile fluff, organic waste, including bamboo, garden waste, etc. Anything. So that is why it is multiple feed. Any feed it can come. There is no problem, including plastic, petroleum sludge, unsegregated municipal solid waste, then which has moisture up to 50%. So all these things can be added, and this process will produce energy in the form of light diesel oil. So what is that? The hydrocarbon liquid fuel, what we said, it is in the form of light diesel oil, which are used in furnaces, which is used to burn fire, and moreover whatever is produced is used for burning also. So we are not only no extra energy is required to be given from outside. So it will be producing light diesel oil also, and this Polycrack has multiple advantages, so many advantages. Number one, pre-segregation of waste is not required. You need not segregate. No, first advantage is no pre-segregation. You need not segregate it before feeding into it, number one. Number two, it has high tolerance of moisture, up to 50% moisture is allowed, so no need for drying, no drying. That's another big advantage. Then number three, the waste is processed and reformed within 24 hours itself. It will not take much time, so no smell and other things, because if it is a biological waste, is dumped somewhere, a lot of smell will be there. Within 24 hours it can be disposed of. It is an enclosed unit, hence working environment is dust free, no dust, no smell, Otherwise a waste processing plant, lot of smell will be there, that is avoided. Then this excellent air quality surrounding the plant. Biological decomposition is not allowed, because if it decomposes then only we have problems. So no biological decomposition in the plant region. The footprint of the plant is small, because it's small area, and because we can dispose upon a daily basis, and all constituents are converted into valuable energy, thereby making it zero discharge process. And the gas generated in the process is reused to provide energy to the system, thereby making it self-reliant and also bring down the operational cost. So whatever gas is produced while burning, it is reused for providing energy to the system. So it making self-reliant also. So there are multiple advantages, and this it operates only around 450 degrees Celsius, which is considered to be a low temperature in such processes. So it's a low temperature process. The temperature used is only around 450 degrees, and it is safe and efficient system, low capital cost and low operating cost, fully automated system, minimum manpower. So multiple advantages. So that is what we started, is a Polycrack technology in Bhubaneswar, and it is by Indian Railway to manage the waste at the Mancheswar Carriage Repair Workshop.